Authorities in East Khasi Hills have stepped up nighttime traffic enforcement to curb the rising incidents of stunt biking and rash driving in Shillong and surrounding areas. The Superintendent of Police Traffic Branch, K. Prasad, informed the media that intensified checking operations have been launched across key locations in the city. According to SP Prasad, checkpoints have been set up during late hours to monitor and take strict action against individuals involved in reckless and dangerous driving. He emphasized that such behavior amounts to negligent driving and would not be tolerated under any circumstances. The SP further stated that the special drives are part of a broader safety initiative and will also be extended to New Shillong and other outlying areas of the district. The police aim to ensure public safety by cracking down on those violating traffic norms, particularly those engaging in hazardous stunts on public roads.
We have not allowed anyone to do that. No any permission being given also. We are also conducting the checkings on the road races. Even the special Naka being enforced at night. The special checkings are also being conducted together with the SOTs and the traffic peoples. So that we are taking utmost preventive measures that this thing should not be allowed in this Shillong city. Actually, the thing is that this falls under the race and negligent driving. These are the race and negligent driving. So, race and negligent driving, we take in the race and negligent driving. That is not being allowed. Intensify, that is another things. So, we take the appropriate actions. Started conducting the checking their side also on every Saturday and Sunday, especially on the holidays. Those areas outskirts of the city, that we have put our peoples on the job. And if anyone is found violated, we are taking the appropriate actions.